Hi everyone, I'm Ange from Tupperware, proud manager of Tup Team Courageous. Now, I actually did this video earlier. When I've gone to put it all together, I had the screen drop out for some reason. Then I realised what I'd done. Made a bit of a blooper. But anyway, I actually had the video on when I was preparing, and then I turned it off when I wanted to make this, and when I went to put it together, I was missing a bit, so I have to do it again. I don't know what I'm up to, but all I know is that I was very excited because I've got my blenders here, the Ultramax blenders that come in a set of two, one blue, one pink, or they come individually. So anyway, I know the next part of my video I do run through. I do remember saying about the almond milk. I haven't actually had almond milk before, and I don't know what it's like, but drop down, let me know, do you like almond milk or don't you? It's going to be a bit of a new thing. I'm a stickler. I don't eat breakfast. I'm terrible. I'll get up, have a coffee, then maybe 2 hours later I have lunch or something, but I think this might actually change my habits. So I've got, strawberries, banana, and almond milk. So I'll leave you there for now. I did drop out, so you'll see in the next bit. All right. Whoops, I dropped out there. Not sure why. Anyway, getting back to these, they come with a charging cord, one each. Okay, because these are a blender. There's a little blade in there. They're a blender that you can take on the go with you. So these are fully recharged. They take about 4 hours to fully charge. The little light here will flash white on and off. Probably not too fast, but it'll stay on and flash once, I think, from what I remember last night. And when that light stops flashing, that means they're fully charged. Now these will do 10 smoothies to one charge. So, and it's, as you can see, it's got a USB that it will go in the car. And the other end is a bit weird. Brad pointed this out. It's actually got two little, I don't know whether you can see that, two little prongs there. Can you see that? I'll put it up again. Yeah, two little prongs there. Now what happens, there's two little magnets there too on the edge with the prongs. When you go to put it on, I don't know if you've been up at the north and south magnet, I'm trying to put that on and it's actually pushing it away. So when you turn it around this way, you put on and it just like that. It's magnetic. It's funny. Brad said, oh, that's clever. Tupperware is so that won't go on at all. See how it's pushing it off? And it's not me doing it. Trust me, I'm not that clever. Anyway, and there, see, click straight on, plug that into a normal phone charger or whatever car charger, and it charges up. Now, so these are already charged. So I'm going to start. Oh, that's the motor, and then you can take that off and put this separate lid on, so you can drink from that. And I haven't got the straws close by, but the Tupperware straws will fit in there too if you prefer to drink out of a straw. Okay, where are these strawberries? Now I need a plate. Just chop the end off. Use my chop collector for the scraps. Whoops. This is in black now. Oh, see, I've got a green one, so it's in black. Okay. Cut that out. Ooh. Actually, should be using my little Tupperware knife. Right, so I know what to do. How many? 2 or 3? So can you see that? So that's the strawberry in there and just straight through. Not quite. I might have put that in backwards. No. It's all right. I'll just push it through with my fingers. It's for eggs, but look, it did work quite well. See? Strawberries. All the same thickness. So I'll pop them in there. Might do another one. Doesn't hold. It's 350 mils. This another one. Push it through to the plate. Probably do banana in this too. Then I'd really have everything the same size. All right, 2 strawberries are going to do. Meat. And probably half a banana. I can see I'm going to use these quite a bit because I'm not a real big on breakfast. I don't know if anyone else out there. I get up in the morning, have a cup of coffee, and I'm really bad because then I don't feel like eating. But if I like this smoothie with the almond milk, of course, because plain milk, look at this banana. Whoops, straight through. Just pushed it through a bit. I did chop the first lot. Look, how cool is that? Whoops. Oh, I might as well put it all in, I think, and a little bit of milk, and it'll be thick, but that is amazing. Straight through. And again, so you see what I did. Yeah, I just cut the banana so that it could go straight through like so. That's cool. I like that. All right, so there's the banana. Wash my hands. Now this will be the test. The almond milk. There is a maximum fill line too, which is here. So I can't really put the fruit in. It's going to be thick, but I think it's going to be nice. So the maximum line there. So I'll just fill that up with the almond milk that I've never had before. I find the normal cow's milk, if I have too much of it, I get a bit of a tummy upset. So, oh, look at that. Already opened. I mean, the cap opened the foil. All right, now I'm pouring this in up to the max line. I won't put that lid on. I bought the pink one for me and this is for Brad. So, all right, now the other feature, there has got sticker on the top. I haven't taken this off yet, but it does tell you, it sort of gives you instructions. Oh, and as far as cleaning goes, don't submerge this. You can put some water, about 300 ml of water and a couple of drops of dishwashing liquid. Put that on. When it's tight, like that, can you see that green light flashing? That means it's ready to go. This hasn't got, and there's a little button there, not this button. I was trying to press that, but it's actually this one here. It's got a little indent and you've got to press it twice. So that's a safety feature as well, so children can't accidentally bump it. Anyway, to clean it, just 300 ml of water, dishwashing liquid, tip it upside down, press that twice and it will all just self-clean. If you need to, a little bottle brush in there around the blade so you don't cut your fingers. And then just give it a rinse, but be careful because it's not supposed to be submerged. And, well, that's flashing red now because I just pushed that button, I think. accidentally, or was it when I took the lid off? Anyway, so this has also got a drinking spout as well, so you don't have to change it to this. So I hope I've got that right for you all, to the best of my knowledge. So I'll push that on. The green light is flashing. It's all ready to go. Tip it up, press it twice. Yay! Strawberry, banana and almond milk. And I didn't put sugar in it because I'm not a real sugar, and Brad's definitely not. So how cool is that? I'm not sure if there's a time limit. You're supposed to, what am I trying to say? Don't let it go too long. When it's washing, it did say 10 seconds. So, wow, how cool is this? That looks awesome, doesn't it? All right, let's try it. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Oh, it might be my new habit. My brekkie in the morning. We're actually going to go for a drive tomorrow. Sorry. We're going for a drive tomorrow up the river, up the Murray, to check out the floods, and we've got a few of our favourite camping spots we want to check out and see if we can actually. We won't be camping up there. We are going to take tent, so we might find a place just to stay overnight if we don't get back, if we run out of time. Plan is to sort of get up around Renmark maybe, have a look around there, and just because we've got favourite camping spots, we know the areas, and we if we can get into them, we'll be able to sort of see a bit more about how bad these floods really are, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's going to be an adventure tomorrow. I will be taking these with me. We have the car fridge, so I'll be taking the strawberries. I've got one more banana, or I might just leave them home and buy them up there, because we do have the fruit fly thing. What is it? Quarantine up in the Riverland. We can't take. We'll support the locals and just buy some bananas or berry fruit up there. Have planned. I might do it later. Brad likes his rum, and I found a recipe for it's pina colada, and it's got rum, and it's got coconut milk and pineapple and rum in it. So I might do that for him later. And I've also got a hint from Christina, my manager, to do a Bailey's. What'd she do? It's banana. My mind. Banana, ice cream, Bailey's. I think she put strawberries in it too. And yeah, she did it in the Supersonic the other night on her page. So yeah, it was very good. So I'll have to check that up, and I might do that one for me and do the rum one later, because it is Friday night after all. Okay, I'm going to leave you there. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching. And I will be back again some other time. Bye for now.